So we figured out that the best way to make improvements to your products is to talk to people who use them every day, our customers. So that's what we did. We spent a lot of time talking to them about their needs, their wants, the challenges they're facing both now and in the future. And what came out of that was the need for consistent code quality. And that's where we want to help.
We all know that over time, continuous inkjet or CIJ printers require some fine-tuning to keep running correctly, like a car engine, for example. Starting from the ground up, our team of research scientists, engineers and designers set about reinventing the CIJ printer. We broke down all the components of CIJ and started from scratch, from the smallest detail, discovering things about coding that no one ever knew.
So now every code is the highest possible quality, which means fewer rejects, less downtime, and improved operating efficiencies.
We didn't stop there though. We redesigned the user interface to make it simple, quick and easy to use. We've removed the need to service the printer and made it suitable to run even in the harshest of environments.
So the question our customers were asking was, how do I achieve consistent code quality?
And the answer is Domino Ax-Series.